How to delete an Instagram account permanently on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete an Instagram account permanently on iPhone. To delete your account permanently, you need to open up the Instagram application. And once you get into its app, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then simply tap on Menu from the top right corner and choose the Settings and Privacy option from here. After getting into Settings and Privacy, tap on the Account Center option. Now, from the Account Center, tap on the Personal Details option. And then, choose the Account Ownership and Control. Now you have to choose the Deactivate or Deletion option from here. Then select the account which you want to delete. Of course, you are going to select your Instagram account. After selecting your account, choose between Deactivate or Delete Account option. As you wanted to delete your account permanently, so pick the option Delete Account option from here. Then choose the reason for deleting your account as some other reason and tap to continue. To complete the process, you need to enter your Instagram account password and tap on Continue. After that, your account will be deleted permanently. Also, check out our video on how to unblock someone on Instagram Laptop 2023. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.